folks, I have a beautiful tenor ukulele to show you today, number 756. It's Mastergrade Myrtle, top, back, and sides. Really cool set that's very curly and very colorful. And I love the way the sides look too. Went for Myrtle binding on there. And we've got a pistachio fretboard headplate and bridge with a graft there and some sapwood. And this customer's lucky number is 3, so we've got a little 3 in there. And then I made the neck out of some curly Porterford cedar. And this is from my neighbor who used to make flutes, wooden flutes. And he had a bunch of Porterford cedar chunks like this, which will be good for making necks. Too small to be tops, but it's kind of curly. Got a little maple stripe there. Yeah, it's got a low G on it, and it just sounds like it should for Myrtle. I call this our Oregon Koa. Yeah, feels just rich and beautiful, and I like it. Really cool piece of pistachio there too, obviously. So yeah, number 756. This is actually a surprise for a family member of mine. I won't say who because they don't know about it yet. And hopefully they're by Christmas. Cheers.